Welcome to Goodwood Festival of Speed 2026. Join me for a forged take on this fabulous event. Here on the urban stand, we have the usual finery, Rolls-Royce Cullingham's, Lamborghini Urises, but we've also got the special reveal for 26, the urban Y-Track Aventer. On the PWR stand, we have one of 40 Bugatti Bolide, yours for £3 million. Mini challenge cars, forged cooling. There's a lot of cool stuff here at Goodwood, but the Renault 5 is probably one of the most affordable, coolest cars that you're going to see. And this one, probably one of the coolest of the lot. BYD, not interested. New Mercedes is getting serious Ferrari vibes. And actually, we think we like this. Taycan at less than half the price, 700 horsepower. MG's got you covered here. Robo-Dog. Well, at least it's not going to soil everywhere. Ice cream, sun, Maserati. You could actually be in it. Here on the Audi stand, we've got Audi's awesome past, and just beyond them, we've got their future. The design team have got tracing paper of the Murcielago and thought, that'll do. My favourite stand, no doubt, the Chimera stand. A resto mod of an 037 Lancia, and an absolutely brilliant alternative to a Singer Porsche. Just look at the detail. Absolutely stunning. Oh, that's fantastic. Past and future seems to be a big thing for car manufacturers at the moment. Renault bought their original Renault 5 Turbo 2, and now the new reincarnation, the Turbo 3. On the Hyundai stand, we have an N Hyundai, but not an i30N, which makes us very sad. The Governor. Beautiful. The Renault 5, you're going to see a lot of Renault 5s at Goodwood. We told you. We live in a time where there's lots of EVs, but what we are getting, lots of resto mods. Stuff like this Alpha Junior, absolutely exquisite. Serious downforce. There's the Cartier style Lux. The Singer stand, right next to the Champagne stand, just works. Usual stuff on the Ferrari stand, but where's the Lotto? There's been many reveals at Goodwood this year, but obviously Forge's favourite is Bagsy's Corolla GR. They've managed to shoehorn a 2JZ engine in the thing. Always wanted to be an F1 driver. The car they were never allowed to make. A Renault body with a Nissan GTR heart. And the main reason to be a Goodwood Festival is to see amazing cars driven by fabulous drivers. Here on the Miltech stand, they're not only doing exhaust, they're also doing body styling. The busiest stand here at Goodwood, BMW stand. New M3, what do we think? It's a controversial one. And the cleanest stand at Goodwood, obviously, is the Maguire stand. So that's the Forge tour of Goodwood 2026 completed. We've had it all this week. We've had the sun, we've had the cars, we've had the people. It's been absolutely fabulous. And so what I've got left to do is just to close the show down.
Hang on, I'm closing the show, and that is day 3 of Festival of Speed 2026 done. If you're coming in tomorrow, make sure you come down, because it's your last chance to come and have a look at our special edition merch and take part in our valve building competition, where you can win a £200 voucher. If you're coming down, come and say hello and have a great time.